I went out for lunch at my favorite taco joint in Austin, Texas yesterday, but I really needed to use the restroom. I sat down and was just minding my own business when I reached for some toilet paper and realized that they were completely out. I sat there mulling over my life's decisions when I saw a sign by a company called Airvote asking, "How clean is this restroom?" I scanned the red QR smiley because although the restroom was pretty clean, there just wasn't any toilet paper. I hoped this would let the owners know of the unfortunate circumstance that I was in. There was nothing I could do about my current situation, but I returned the next day for lunch because the tacos there really are just that good. I sat down again and, would you believe it? They had added several rolls of toilet paper where yesterday there were none. I really felt heard by the owners, so I scanned the green QR smiley and let them know again how thankful I was. Thanks, Airvote.